Welcome back, beauties. We are going to do a fill today, and I'm already starting off removing the previous design, which was really cute. And we're using our carbide core strobe bit for this process. Always try and have a dust collector beneath you guys. I highly encourage you guys to invest in that as well, only because you don't want to be inhaling all of the dust. As you can see, we are removing a lot, and we're going to be removing as much as we can. Also trimming it a little bit, removing any lifted area that might have lifted. I hope you guys are enjoying our videos, guys. Like I said, we're putting out videos every Monday and Thursday, so stay tuned for that. And we post daily content on our Instagram and TikTok. And I always, like I said, I always remove my thumb so I can feel her nail. If for any reason, it gets heated up, etc. Pushing back her cuticles and removing the shine from her natural nail and just blending the tip with it. I did apply one tip on her index because she did obviously lose a nail, and usually she always loses that one. It's so funny to me. And we're just trimming any dead tissue around the nail. Now we're cleansing with a cleanser, going downward with our manicure brush like you can see. And guys, don't forget to comment what you guys would like to see next.
Hi, I'm Myra Vargas, creator and owner of Artistry Nails. Are you interested in becoming a nail technician but don't know where to start? Well, this is your opportunity to learn from me and my 15 years of experience in the nail industry. My Beginner's Acrylic Nails course is a perfect start for you. In this program, I will be sharing the basics of acrylic nails, schooling, and everything in between on how to become a successful nail tech. I'm excited to offer you all my knowledge in this program that's perfectly designed to help you get started with your nail career. Make sure to purchase your program today. This program is available in both English and Spanish. Again, thank you. I'm Myra Vargas. I'm excited to be a part of your growth as a nail technician.
And once we prepped everything, we went ahead and added primer to our nails. We are using a nude base, so I love to do a very thin coat of clear just as a protecting layer. And you guys already know this if you guys have been watching my videos. And also, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Now we're using any nude of choice, and we're just going to go ahead and apply it, not super thick. And usually this is why I removed a lot in the previous removal of her design, so we can build a nude base. And we did this because we're going to be using blue chrome, and I wanted to try something different. Usually I use a nude polish, but I wanted to do this a different way, so we did a nude powder. And we're using our number 16 Kolinsky brush for this. That's like my favorite go-to, guys. I love that brush. It's perfect size. And I always start towards the cuticle. As you guys can see, I push my product down towards the cuticle and allow it to self-level down towards the free edge. Make sure it's a nice, well-balanced nail as well. Like I said, we're just going to be filing after this. Once filed, because you guys already know how I file, I'm going to go ahead and clean the nail, make sure everything is nice and even. And we're gonna go start with the design. So we're using this gorgeous blue chrome, and I'm using the no wipe top coat for chrome, especially creating my design, curing for 30 seconds in our LED light, and applying the chrome on top. And I would typically do this individually just because I don't want the top coat to move. If the top coat is pretty runny, I would do this individually. If you know the top coat isn't, then go ahead and do it right away. Do the other nails, but just up to you. And it's like a little hard, you know, to see what design you're creating when it's clear like this. But another way you can do is do black. The only thing I didn't like about black is that if it doesn't cover it like completely, you can kind of see the black undercoat. So this was nice. You weren't able to see anything. Now we're applying our chrome like so. And look how gorgeous that is. I kind of did a little too much chrome on those. As you can see, it's all over her cuticle. Try not to do that because a little goes a long way. And I got this chrome at a local nail supply store, so you can always get it online as well. And I'm using a little eyeshadow palette thing to apply it. I do go in with our sponge as well to do it, like a cleanup. Now I'm adding little stars with a gold metallic and a small brush, which comes in this packet of the brushes. Super simple and cute design, guys. I put a dot and then the little lines. And as you can see, I always balance myself out with the pinky. And always make sure you're using a top coat that you don't care if product gets on it. So this is usually what I do. And I'm applying the top coat, making sure there's nothing on top. And this is like a cute, simple design as far as like nothing major crazy. It's nice. And I know I got off the frame. I apologize for that. And then look at the final result, guys. We put cuticle oil and voila, super cute. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Till next time.